Ducati built the bones of the Devil using a combination of die-cast sections and thin wall tubing, all in lightweight aluminum. The factory uses what they call a techno-polymer member to bring the two main sections of the frame together and form the abbreviated subframe assembly. This leaves us with a stiff frame capable of handling the great torsional stresses generated by aggressive maneuvers without chunking out above its 527-pound fight weight. A single-sided swing arm, also in aluminum, finishes at the frame and it provides a spectacular view of the rear wheel, plus it carries a little extra length to push the wheelbase out to 62.6 inches long for straight-line stability and a little extreme moonshot prevention. Necessarily, the drive chain and sprocket are on the same side as the brake disc, so there is absolutely nothing but taking empty air to obscure the 14-spoke wheel from view on the right side of the bike. To be honest, single-sided swing arms used to worry my nerves a little because they seem so insubstantial, but I suppose the technology is mature enough to be trusted at this point. The cast 3.5 by 17-inch front rim finishes the rolling chassis up front, while the so-called flow-formed COM 8 by 17-inch rear rim provides lightweight strength for the rear. Ducati joined forces with Pirelli to engineer the Diavel Chassis 2 sport tires.